Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ConvertKit landing pages for SEO, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open ConvertKit and log into your account. Navigate to the landing pages option in the main menu. Click on the Create Landing Page button. Choose a template that suits your needs. Once the template loads, start by adding your page title. Ensure your title is clear and includes relevant keywords. Next, customize the content of your landing page. Focus on making the copy engaging and concise. Add images or videos that complement your message. Now, let's move to the SEO settings. Look for the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it to open the SEO configurations. Here, you will see a field for the page title. Enter a unique title that includes your primary keyword. Next, find the meta description field. Write a brief summary that accurately describes your landing page. Make sure it also includes relevant keywords. Now, locate the URL slug option. Customize the slug to match your page title and keywords. Keep it simple and straightforward. After that, review the overall layout of your landing page. Ensure everything is properly aligned and visually appealing. Check the mobile responsiveness to guarantee a good user experience. Once satisfied, save your changes. Now preview your landing page to ensure it displays correctly. If everything looks good, hit the Publish button. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your ConvertKit landing page for SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.